Imagine that Freddy Fazbear found a job and became a police officer, a doctor, a fireman, a teacher, a construction worker, an NBA star, a hockey player, a football player, a soccer player, a barber, a school bus driver, a butcher, a president of the United States, an astronaut, a programmer, a stock trader, a blogger, a military officer, a special agent, a musician, a tour guide, a pastry chef, a lifeguard, a janitor, a gamer, a scientist, a miner, a journalist, a surfer, a fashion designer, a top model, a Hollywood film director, a fisherman, a banker, a farmer, a waiter, a gardener, a professional wrestler, an artist, an prison warden, a bodyguard, a psychoanalyst, a priest, a nanny, a life model, an auto mechanic, a sailor, a locomotive engineer, a pilot of a commercial airplane, a lumberjack, a croupier at a casino, a cashier, a jockey, a forester, a bouncer, a carpenter, a mail carrier, a judge, a cash-in-transit security officer, a veterinarian, an accountant, a bookmaker, a DJ, a bartender, a barista, a pest control professional, a bodybuilder, a clown. What profession do you enjoy the most? Don't forget to like and subscribe.